This program contains flashing images.
This is London. Welcome to London. London town.
I feel the good times coming.
This is London City, we the hottest in the world.
I feel the good times coming.
You know the system ends.
It's about to be.
Tell them what's up.
Let's have a little snoop around in 2025, shall we?
Check it out now.
It's been a positively tropical summer.
It's gonna be hot, hot, hot.
Who needs to go abroad when you got weather like this?
I like it hot, but I don't like it this hot.
I've got sunshine.
Gentlemen's doubles champions from Great Britain, Wimbledon champions.
Shane Lowry has done it, and on American soil, Europe have retained the Ryder Cup.
An unforgettable year for women's sport in England.
The 2025 Rugby World Cup final. England, world champions!
The Red Roses and Lionesses are victorious.
And still the European champions! The Lionesses go back to back! Overcoming adversity, creating their own destiny! Now that is proper English!
Here's what England means to me, the real England. When it's sunny, it's too hot. When it's cold, the weather's rubbish. England to me is a cup of tea. How many sugars? I'm sweet enough. England to me is Caribbean barbers with the sharpest trim. It's Christian neighbours saying Happy Hanukkah, mate, and Muslim mums saying Merry Christmas, love. And you think you're seeing flags now? Wait until the World Cup's on. Then you'll know about flags, my son. Because this is what England means to me. It's about loving each other, no matter what colour you are, where you're from, or who your God is. Because this is England. This is the United Kingdom.
Pay homage if you respect how we came up.
Oi, 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 oi.
Oh. We be them little cookies.
English girl named Fiona. African girl Adiola. Body yoddy shaped like cola. Back up, hey, come closer.
Please. It is now officially tea time. So let's grab a cuppa and get together.
All together now.
I'm right here with all my friends.
All together now.
Tell me you got something to give.
Nothing beats a New Year's Eve in London.
Hello, fellow Londoners. As we travel the yellow brick road into a new year, let us stand for positivity and hope, embrace the magic that we all have inside, and come together for good. Happy New Year.
Welcome to the party.
Exploding like fireworks in the sky. Set fire on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party, I can do this all week. We dance until the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Jump, kiss it down, body. Set fire. Chumma kiss it out, buddy. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you know the party? I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma kiss it out, buddy.
We can dance together.
We can dance all night.
We can dance together.
We can dance till the morning light.
So let's put on our classics and we'll have a little dance, shall we?
Give on
matter what, London will always shine bright as a city of hope and a place for everyone.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we're looking through stars when we're together.
Happy New Year.